This tastefully renovated Inter-Terrace home in Woodlands, District 25, Singapore is built to 3 levels or 99 land, and it houses 4 beds, 4 baths, a car porch for 1, and is ready for immediate occupancy. We give you Century Woods. So here's a full rundown of the property. Completed in the year 2002 in District 25 Woodlands in a building control zone of 3-story mixed landed residential. Here are the specifications of the home. So the land is 99-year lease from 1996 of 1,615 square feet and is built up to approximately 3,000 square feet. Houses 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a generous living and dining area, open kitchen with island, a veranda and garden, lounge area, a car porch terrace, a family area, has an open sky terrace, 2 balconies, a backyard, a car porch that parks 1 car, and a helper's room. Welcome to this beautiful home. Let's start off from the front porch. You have a beautiful mechanized gate that opens up by both ways, and this is 2.8 meters wide. You can easily back your car up into the covered terrace over here, and you have green space. And then coming onto the veranda, the home has been fully renovated with up to 500 in home improvements, and we're stepping onto tastefully designed French doors, so it has a very shophouse, British colonial, even European feel as you come into the space. In the living room, you'll find that it's immaculately designed. You have this beautiful 900 by 900 terrazzo look-alike modernized artistic tiles that run through the full length of the floor area, and this is a single level floor plate that runs across. This is 8.73 meters for the living and the dining room, and then you have 5.88 meters for the kitchen area and an extended 2.07 meters. The whole length of this plot is approximately 21.6 meters. You've got 3 meters ceiling height that has been achieved even with your cassette AC and the drop down area. So if you really wanted to, you can still push it up a little bit more if you just wanted to do wall mount ACs. And as you can see, the whole area is tastefully done up. We're gonna start here in the kitchen area, and in case you want to enclose the space, the rails in the false ceiling have already been done up for you. You can easily do sliding doors. They run across this length, and this whole area would be sealed off. You have beautiful Constantino sintered stone that runs across this island over here, and it's nicely fitted with a 3-seater. You have wood laminate, and then the Constantino carries across into the hob area where you have Miele induction cooker. You have the hood over here, oven's been put in for you, dishwashers over on this side where the sink is. So everything has been thoughtfully put in place for you. It even then extends out into the backyard, which is a lot of outdoor space. Demarcated washing area already put in for you. You have black and white blinds that drop down from the back for your privacy. Then we're coming onto what is the lounge area, followed by the concealed maid's room, and this is a full-on bathroom with tastefully done up European towels on the floor, fitted nicely, shower screen, all done up for you. And if we follow through on this end, there is storage for the understair area, and the stairs has been nicely done to be flush against this wall. And let's head up now to level 3. Let's first go to the floor plan. So on level 3, you have the sky terrace, which is demarcated as an air well. Then to the left, you have a family room, and then you have 2 good-sized rooms and a common bathroom in the middle. So join me as we start out here in the open sky terrace, and you have beautiful sunlight just coming through and a bunch of ventilation. The width of this thing is 2.29 by 2.8, so it's a very good size for hosting. And if we're coming out into the room by the side over here, which is demarcated as the family room, you have 2.55 meters by a 2.8 meter ceiling height across a width of 2.8, so it's very decent size. If you wanted to enclose this space to create, say, an office or whatnot, or additional storage, you could. And you'll notice as soon as you land here, you got warm kaki pake flooring, and floor to ceiling height is an amazing 7.1 meters. You'll notice that you still have a bunch of open air space, and because this is a 3.5 zoning area, you technically can take in and consume more if you want to build upwards. Now let's go into the common bedroom facing the front. And if you're thinking about direction, this is a southeast facing onto the front. You have very decent space, and you'll notice that this room has been converted into a full-on gym. You have wardrobe already set in for you, ceiling fan, AC. So you'll notice for space-wise, the measurements of this room is a full length of the building width, which is 5.73 by a depth of 3.75. And you've got ceiling heights climbing all the way to 2.85, which is very beautiful. So you've got full panel of glass over here that let in a bunch of natural light set against some greens. So that's nice scenery for you. And if you follow me through, you will find that beyond the door area, there's an additional open nook over here, and you can use it as a study if you like. For now, this whole space is kind of like a recreational room because you have even the luxury of an additional balcony pushed out for you over here for you to just have a tea and chill out for the afternoon. So now let's go across, and we have a common bathroom, tastefully designed over here with full European tiling against the floors and the wall, and it's immaculately fitted. So we're coming into a fully fitted bedroom that faces the rear over here, and you've got natural light coming through from the windows. Venetian blinds have been put in for you, ceiling fan, AC, and it's nicely fitted with the wardrobe on this end. The dimensions are a beautiful 4.1 meters width by 3.6 meters depth against 2.85 meters ceiling height. So let's now go down to level 2, and I will just take you through the plans. So on the level 2 plan, you'll find that it's divided into two halves. The master and the common bedroom both come with ensuite bathrooms. So let's go now to the bedroom facing the rear, and you're coming straight into 5.73 meters of width, which is the building length. And you've got huge glass panels of windows, both sides coming through, so you got a bunch of natural light, and if you open them up, you got ventilation. You got 2.65 meters ceiling height by 3.9 meters width, which gives you sufficient space for even a California king-size bed and a study over here. Wardrobe is nicely lined up across flush in this corner. Then it is tastefully designed again with a very rustic design coming into the common bathroom. You'll find that you have very beautiful blue tiles on the floor, again cement-screeded large format tiles, and it's a very modern fitting. Now let's walk right across into the master bedroom, and again you have a full length of space, which is 5.73 meters, and you have a beautiful 4.65 meters depth into the room, and this gives you almost a huge square over here. You have the full wardrobes, just floor to ceiling, flush against this side of the room, and there is a natural light that's coming through a continued glass window panel over here, and these are windows that open up for ventilation if you want. You got curtains and you can draw them for privacy. The fan has been put in for you. You have this glass paneled doors that run through and a window that opens up for ventilation. You're coming into a very pristine bathroom that is a cement treated shade on the floor, and then coming onto 600 by 600 wall tiles. And the feature wall on this end is hastily and tactfully done. It's very, very nice. And it's nicely fitted with a huge total basin, and the mirror, countertop, and carpentry has been put in for you. Now I'm going to take you onto a delightful feature, which is the car porch terrace. And this space is fully enclosed by these two doors, and as soon as it opens up, you will find that we have very beautiful floor tiles that line the whole area. So the whole thing converts into kind of like a black and white colonial vibe, as you can see, and you've got railings that are black against a white facade. You've got a white, very beautiful frontage, and this is all timber, and it's very, very iconic of the European style that was being instilled in this whole cluster. So if you're thinking about schools, Singapore American School, Woodlands Ring, Marsiling, Woodlands, Riverside Secondary, Singapore Sports School and Republic Poly are amongst the many fine institutions within the area. For your convenience, Marsiling MRT is just within 1 kilometer radius and you're close to food courts, grocers, Woodlands Polyclinic, Woodlands Hospital and Causeway Point are all within 10 minutes walking radius. So if you like what you've seen so far, smash that like button and give us a call. I'm Nick Tan, Selling Singapore, and we'd be happy to show you the place. I'll see you soon. So let's first go to the floor plan. So were there any in the shot not just now? You can put in a nice study while I open this door. Coming into an open space over here, which is, what was this on the plan? So if you like what you see, smash